Let's bow our open strings chart. Now make sure that you're doing 1, 2, 3, and you have a good solid bow hold. Bring your instrument to you. Let's do that first line, D, D, A, A. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, go. Next, A, A, D, D. Ready, go. Again, make sure you're using that full bow. Ready, go. Next, D, A, D, A. Ready, go. Again, go. Next, A, D, A, D. Ready, go. Again, go. Then G, G, D, D. Ready, go. Again, go. Reverse D, D, A, D, D, G, G. Ready, go. Again, go. Then G, D, G, D. Ready, go. Again, go. Reverse D, G, D, G. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. Now let's do A, A, E, E. Ready, go. Again, go. Reverse E, E, A, A. Ready, go. Again, go. A, E, A, E. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. E, A, E, A. Ready, go. One more time. Good. Next we have G, D, A, E. So down, up, down, up. Ready, go. Good. Let's do that again. Take your time on this one. Practice it a million times. Ready, go. G, D, A, E. Good. Now reverse. Ready, go. It's a lot about. Do it again. Ready, go. Roll, roll, roll. That is a big thing. Start to roll that bow from string to string. All right, then we have G, G, D, A. G, G, D, A. Ready, go. Good. Again. Ready, go. All right, then we have D, A, G, E. That's a big roll, so try it out a few times. G, D, A, G, E. So we have to skip all of those strings. You got this. Ready, go. D, A, G, E. Now watch how I do this. D, A, roll, roll. Again, ready, go. D, A, G, E. All right. Then we have D, A, G, E, A, A, E, G. Big jump the other way. Ready, go. A, E, G. Good. Again. Ready, go. Huge jumps there. All right, now the last one. D, A, D, E, G, A. D, E, G, A. You got this. Ready, go. Good. A little bit slower. Ready, go. D, roll. G. Good. Again. Ready, go. Good. Continue to make your own and do them at all speeds. Little bows, big bows, super, super duper slow bows, everything in between. Happy practice. Practice makes awesome.